Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious goat meat tomato stew. After trying out this recipe, you will never stop asking for more. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Please turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. Thank you, and let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using goat meat. Properly cleaned, feel free to use any protein of your choice. Now add it into the pot. Go ahead and season with some onions. Green marinate. You can check it out on my videos and see how it is being prepared. So next, add in a seasoned cube, bay leaf. In here we have some oregano, parsley, rosemary, and curry powder. Add some salt to taste. Ginger and garlic paste. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Now go ahead and stir it around. Once done, cover the pot and let it simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes now, we are checking on the pot. Now open it, give it a stir. Go ahead and top it up with some water. Feel free to add or adjust some salt or seasonings if needed. Yeah. Once done, cover the pot until it is well cooked or 80% done. After some minutes now, the meat is properly cooked and done. Now set it aside. In a clean dry pot, add in some vegetable oil and let it heat up. Once that is done, add some salt to it. Add in the chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste. Stir around for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, add in your tomato paste, both the fresh and the tin, and give it a properly stir until they are well combined. Keep stirring and frying until the tomato reduces in quantity or until oil flows to the top of the sauce, just like this. Okay, don't go fast so that you don't end up with burnt tomatoes. Once done, go ahead and season with some seasoned cube, some crayfish. Add to your desired quantity. If you are not a lover of crayfish, feel free to skip it. Okay, now add in some nutmeg powder, add some curry powder. Go ahead and stir it around until they are well combined. Add some fresh pepper to it and add to your desired quantity. Add in the cooked meat, stir to mix. Add in the stock water, mix to combine. But if you feel that it's too thick, go ahead and add in some water to your desired consistency, okay? For the choice of vegetable, I'll be using nchuang, known as scent leaf, but this is optional. You can use any vegetable of your choice or you skip. Now cover and let it cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes now, we are checking on our stew. As you can see, it is done. Go ahead and stir it around and turn off your cooker. It is done and ready. It is time to serve. Enjoy with your white rice, spaghetti, or in whichever way you prefer. Honestly, this stew tasted so super delicious and amazing. I will be writing down the list of ingredients in the description box below. Hope you find this amazing recipe helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video and remain blessed. Bye. I love you.